getting back to this pit we're testing today. You can hardly see any smoke coming out of the stack. I mean, that is a clean burning fire. And look, guys, we are running 325 degrees on this 2 foot by 4 foot long single door main chamber, counterweighted. No door leaks. No leaks there. No leaks there. No firebox door leaks. I'll show you the firebox. Prove you I got a fire in there. We're not making this up. There it is. Insulated. A little bitty old piece of wood. Running this cooker. Again, smokestack. Clean fire. 2448. Single door counterweighted. Drop down 14-inch front shelf. Stainless. Big 8-inch casters. Again, I'm test running this cooker today. Rich Robin. Call me. Gator Pit.